Frozen potato samosas, actually a cute triangle size, and then this is the actually traditional samosa size here. Well, what I'm used to in restaurants. I got these at an Indian grocery store. Put these in the air fryer. Heard of the brand Maggi? Maggi instant noodles. Also have top ramen fiery chili noodles here. The texture of the noodles, it's okay. It's not as chewy as any other ramen I've ever had. Flavor's okay. Fiery chili ramen here. It's nice. Texture of the noodles, much better than the masala. It's spicy. I love the crunch. Spice level, that's, yeah, it's pretty. Oh, excuse me.